So let's take this reel apart. This clutch going to the level that it's gone is not really a surprise, really. Could have it been avoided? I don't know. You'll see where the issue is in a minute. Yeah, the issue's all inside here. You push this in, this side needs to slide over, and then what will happen is when we turn the handle twice, it will push that side in, and that will come out halfway, and then another second turn will push that side in, and then it should come out the rest of the way. Okay, it has to better freely move right here. Now I put a little washer there to try to deal with the issue, because the issue is in the actual plate itself. This hole is too big, and this little bit here, the little stud, was actually falling through. So this washer doesn't solve the problem, because it actually makes it too big to even move at all. So that's let's dissect this. We'll take the springs off. Okay, and there's a C-clip in there. Okay, so this is the C-clip that I need to remove. So that's to turn it around. We'll push it from the other side. There's the C-clip. And there's the little stud. We'll take this little washer off that I was hoping it was going to sort the problem out. So now this is out, you can clearly see where all the wear is. Hopefully you can clearly see it. Right in here, this hole here is too big. Way too big. What we've got up here is actually even usable. So as you can see there, it's perfect. It allows it to slide. I'll just hold it there. It allows it to slide. And that is what this bit on here should be doing, but it's just worn. So that's good. That's good that we got this. Now we need to measure the width of this with a vernier gauge to give us an idea of just how wide we need this. How wide we need this plate to be. So you can see that there. So when you get a measurement on the vernier gauge and you use this for inner diameters, this one here, it also adjusts this to be exactly the same. So this is for outer diameters, this is for inner, but now we can use the outer now, and we can place this in the center between the two as close as we can. I mean, I could be more accurate with this, but Problem here is just not enough, not a big enough area within the clamp to manoeuvre the tool around. Allows it to move like that. The hole that's currently there, as I've already said, is way too worn. So the next thing I need to do is I need to get very close down to the bottom of here, not right on there, but very close to the bottom of there. Get in there. It's going quite well so far. Just a little bit too thick. See? And this part here is a stop. It stops it from being wound backwards. This is the reel that I had issues with the clutch. I've hopefully fixed it now. I'll show you later on how I actually do it, if it works. So far that clutch is holding up, so I'm really pleased about that.